the funny thing is that most people are making those suggestions that you should invest in bonds and indexes in the stock market to make it boring, but it's not suitable for every personality. For example, my personality, I cannot put it into the S&P 500 because there are many companies that are ethically wrong. The many companies that I would just like to force to be shut down, that they would stop damaging people and the environment. So I cannot put my money just blindly into indexes to get rich. And another thing is, for example, Warren Buffett is like the grandfather of investing, and people are huge fans. But I'm very skeptical about this guy because when you make millions with Coca-Cola, you're an inherently evil person. When you're making pure business, that's just inherently evil. We must do things that are inherently good for the people and for the planet. So when I'm looking at different businesses and businesses on the stock exchange, I'm looking what are their primary focuses, what they are doing, what they are developing, and there are many criteria. And also I love the game of the high risk businesses. For example, I see uranium as a more environmentally sustainable source of energy than wind turbines, for example. So I'm looking for uranium stocks. Another thing is that I'm looking for penny stocks. On this very moment, I'm looking at a few car companies, how they are doing, and is there a possibility that they could rise back to their real price or to their historical price. Not always, so I'm just analyzing in my own way. And then there's another thing, as I have been, as I am like my both brain hemispheres are working. So one thing is analyzing, another thing is having this gut feeling of intuition. Okay, how will this thing work? So imagination. And sometimes you see really severe pictures of a stock crashing. So when I see that Nvidia stock rising to the heights, I see a crash there. I do not know when, but I come off from that hype, because that's the most dangerous stock that a person could purchase actually.